Welcome, Deronda here with Foods 101. Thanksgiving Day is right around the corner, and I'm going to show you how to make this very simple, don't let it intimidate you, broccoli cheese casserole. A fabulous side dish for your Thanksgiving Day feast. The ingredients you're going to need is 2 16-ounce bags of frozen broccoli florets. Let these thaw in the refrigerator overnight the day you make your casserole. 1 10.5-ounce can of cream of mushroom soup. We're not going to dilute this with water or milk. We're going to use it straight from the can. 1 cup of freshly grated Colby Jack cheese. 1 cup of freshly grated sharp white cheddar cheese. 1 6-ounce can of your crispy fried onions. And 1 cup of sour cream. Let me show you how simple and easy this is to get together. In a 2 to 3 quart saucepan, add all your sour cream. I love using a spatula because you can get it all out of your bowl. Try not to leave any behind. Add your cream of mushroom soup along with 1.5 cups of your cheese. You probably want to reserve about 1/2 cup for the top. And I love grating my cheese so it's nice and fresh. The kind of cheese you buy in the bag that's already shredded, it has cornstarch on it, so it's not going to give you this lovely cheesy, creamy texture on any dish that you're making. But by all means, you can go ahead and use it. With our crispy fried onion rings, we're going to add 1.5 cups into our mixture here. And we'll reserve the rest for the top. Give this a stirring. Over here to the oven top, over medium heat. We're going to stir for about 4 to 5 minutes, and I'm going to get a bigger spatula here, until all these ingredients are well combined and the cheeses begin to melt. Continue stirring for the next 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the cheese, I'm turning off my timer, the cheese has melted, that sour cream and the soup has really become really nice and creamy. Next, we're going to add our 2 16-ounce bags of broccoli florets. I just stir in 1 bag at a time, fold it in. Woo! And at this point, you want your oven preheated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to add our last bag of our broccoli florets. I'm using a 2.5 quart saucepan here. It would have been a little easier if I would have used a 3 quart or a 4 quart saucepan. All right, and just blend this with the soup and sour cream mixture. This looks fabulous. Now, over here to its baking dish, I'm adding just a little bit of olive oil, 2-quart dish. We're going to swish it around from corner to corner and take it up on the sides, just like that. Spoon in our broccoli mixture. Ooh. It smells so yummy. Once you get it all in here, just work your florets around until you have an even layer. That looks perfect. This is off to that preheated oven on the middle rack for the next 30 to 35 minutes or until bubbly. Use your timer and no peeking. Okay, after 35 minutes, I'm going to turn off my timer. Pull out the casserole. You see it bubbling along the edge there? That's what you're looking for. Until we start adding this additional cheese. You can sprinkle it right on the top, or you can take it out of the oven and do it. I'm going to leave that up to you. Once you get the cheese on, add your remaining crispy fried onions. Woo, it's going to be so delicious. This goes back in the oven for an additional 15 minutes. Use your timer and no peeking. Broccoli cheese casserole at its best. Listen to it bubble. And it smells so yummy. If that doesn't scream Thanksgiving Day side dish, I don't know what does. I'm going to let it cool down, and then I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. Give it a taste, and I can already tell it's going to be fabulous. Oh, let's dig in. Smells so good, and looky there at that. Still super duper warm. This is a 9 by 9 inch pan, if I didn't mention that earlier. Get some of those crispy onions. Oh yeah, it's still warm. Here goes. Using those florets It will bake so deliciously tender. The crispy fried onions, that cream of mushroom soup, and the cheese and the sour cream just makes it delicious and silky. You will not be disappointed in this broccoli cheese casserole. I'm Duranda with Foods 101. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. You'll not be disappointed with this broccoli cheese casserole at your Thanksgiving Day table. Thanks a million for watching. Catch you lovely people later.